Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another session of Kubernetes Interview Questions. I have these questions and answers documented on a public GitHub repo, which the link for that will be down below. But it's generally better to talk about it because I can give you more context and also what the interview is really looking for in the question. So that those kind of things are it takes too long to write it out, whatnot, but also it's easier to express those things on a video. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and that really helps me with YouTube's algorithm. All right, the first question today is if you've created a certificate sign-in request, but you have not approved it yet, what status will be in? So a couple of things the interview is looking for here, right? First of all, your understanding how the certificate request goes in. So Kubernetes has provisions already for sending CSRs. If you don't know what CSR is, it is basically a request to create a certificate that will be given back to the user, so then that the user can then use that certificate to log in to do whatever he or she wants to do. So you need to understand that. Now, once you create a request, CSR, and the second part of this, what the interview is looking for is your understanding of the process, right? Not so much what the word is, but generally anything that hasn't gone in fully in Kubernetes is in pending state, right? So the request has come in but hasn't been approved, so it's pending. So that's something you should know on top of your head if you have any experience with the Kubernetes. That's what the interview is looking for. Next question: what's the command to approve a CSR? Again, the interviewer is not really looking for the command per se, right? He or she is looking for the fact that you have some hands-on experience with Kubernetes, so you don't struggle with these questions, right? So answer to this question is basically kubectl certificate approve, then the name of certificate, right? Now, why is that? In Kubernetes, everything starts with some kind of API resource. So let's say we say kubectl get pods. In this case, the second part is certificate. That's the API resource that you're looking for. So kubectl certificate, then approve, and of course you got to give what you're approving, so it'll be the name. Now you don't have to remember the whole thing, but you should at least remember that it's kubectl certificate, whatnot, right? So that's at least that much you should remember. And that won't be a problem for you if you have some experience with Kubernetes. Third question today: what command do you see? What command can you use to create a role? Again, role comes back to the whole concept of RBAC, where Kubernetes, you get role-based access. So you as a user or whatever, or service account belong to a role, and that role then has certain permissions to do something. You are the principal, role is what the principal gets attached to, and the role also is attached to a bunch of permissions that you get when you get to the role. So again, the command is not so important for you to understand that any command in Kubernetes goes something like kubectl and then create role. So kubectl and then create and the role. All right, so those are the three questions I wanted to go over today. I will do more of these going forward. So I will see you in the next video.